Hey everyone, Mixer Dude here, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the last thing before release of Willow OS 10. Oh yeah, yep, that's right. Willow OS 10 is finally going to be officially released by December 1st. By December 1st. That's the latest. It's probably going to be earlier than that, but that is the absolute latest, December 1st, 2025. So, this is going to be the last app. In fact, I'm probably going to be estimating the release probably November 1st. If that's to be the second latest. So I want this OS to be released by November 1st, if not earlier. So without further ado, let's get started making the last app, which is going to be Image GPT. That's right. We're going to be doing Image GPT, or actually, we're maybe call it Stable Willow Diffusion. Willow Diffusion. There we go. Willow Diffusion. That's what I was thinking of earlier. So let's get started. All right, here we are on Willow OS 10. Uh, you might be thinking, no, this ain't Willow OS 10. Well, this is one of the remote desktop features of Willow OS 10. It looks like Willow OS 8, but we want this. I mean, not that. No. Hold on. What am I thinking? You know, this is Willow OS 10. It's way better, way better. So yeah, we're gonna be adding Image GPT to the store this time around. So we're gonna start with copying everything here, pasting it, and moving it to the last slot available. Willow Diffusion. And we're going to be doing like an image of something, I guess. I don't know. I don't know exactly what we're going to be doing, but we're going to find out. Let's find something. Let's find something. So how about just an image? Just an image. Well, let's see what we can get from that. All right, Google Images. You know what? This is perfect. This is absolutely the most perfect icon I've ever seen. It's like there's just nothing better than this. It's absolutely it's nothing you can do better than this for an image generator app. There's really not. So it's simple. It's just perfect. This is absolutely perfect. I don't know what I was saying there, but you get what I'm saying. It's perfect. Okay, I'm being dramatic, but it's just too perfect to not be dramatic. Okay, gosh. Now, Willow Diffusion. And we're going to be duplicating this slide to start. So this is going to be no more. Actually, I can just change that. Boom, out, boom, out. And we're just be calling this Willow Diffusion. Now you might be thinking, how are we going to do this? Well, you can't type in prompts in Google Slides. Unfortunately, number one. Number two, I don't have a way to just So I'm going to generate images with stable diffusion, actual stable diffusion, and just put them in prompts. Okay, this is what I'm going to be doing. So let's do it. So we're going to start with just we're going to have 4 buttons here, different prompts. So let's see. All right, we're going to be changing this to I'm going to say green, no, orange, yellow. No, not yellow. Looks too ugly. That color. There we go. All right, a cat holding a carrot. I'm just spouting out with my mind. This wants me to spout out here. Okay, I don't care how random it's gonna be. It's just the way it's just is what it's gonna be. Okay. All right. So cat holding a carrot while floating in mid-air in a living room. I don't know. It's just stupid, but it's mine. I just came up with it randomly on the spot. Isn't that incredible? So it's stupid, but it's great. Now we're gonna be doing this again. What am I gonna do for the second one? Well, we're about to find out. I really don't know what we're going to be doing for the second one either. I'm just going to put in what my mind wants me to put in. Alright, so, let me see. I'm going to put in an island. That does literally is just an island. Nothing more simple than that. The only thing more simple than that is the logo of Wilo Diffusion. I can't stop talking enough about that stupid logo. It's just great. It's just stupidly great. Anyway, now we're gonna be doing two more. Not that. So we're gonna be doing a dog holding a banana while swimming in water. While swimming. There we go. Too stupid, too perfect for this. And we got one more. We're just gonna do something simple, just like the island one. Instead, we're just going to do fun. Fun. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. That's too simple, too simple. We're gonna be doing nothing, a phone. How about just a phone? On a, on a phone on a table, okay? Doesn't have to be complicated. The most complex one on here is a cat holding a carrot floating in midair in a living room. There. In a swimming pool. So now the fun part is actually going to be generating those images. So why don't we go generate those images right now? Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we are in Stable Diffusion running locally on my computer. You might be asking yourself, Mixer Dude, how did you get this set up? Believe me, I would explain it to you. But number one, it's going to take 10 years because, like, it took forever. Number two, I have no idea how I got it set up either. It was complicated as heck. So, yeah. But point is, it's running locally, no internet required. It's great. Now let's get these prompts in there. I'm actually really excited to see what comes out of this. So I have it set up. It's going to generate 4 images of each prompt. So let's start with a cat holding a carrot while floating in midair in a living room. Shall we or shall we not? Let's do it. Alright, so let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. The cat isn't really floating. The carrot is, so at least that's a start, I guess. I mean, okay. That's a start, I guess. Okay. The carrot's floating again. I don't even know if that is a carrot. To be honest with you. Okay. All right. So it is floating in midair, and okay, that's the best one yet. All right, well, one more image. My GPU sounds like a jet engine right now. My computer sounds like a jet engine. Literally sounds like a jet engine. Okay, so only one image did it like completely properly. But this is just going to be a parody of how bad Stable Diffusion is. I mean, Stable Diffusion is not that bad, but it's pretty bad. So we're going to download this image right here. The that one, yes. And we're going to put it in. So we're going to duplicate the slide 4 times. 1. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to get rid of all these. Out of here. 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm gonna flex here. This is gonna be the fastest app ever. Like it remember how that took like a minute to generate? This is gonna take instant this is gonna generate instantly. AKA the image is already saved. It's stupid, it's fake, it's great. So let's put it in. There it is. The cats and the floating carrots. And one of which is also a floating cat. So there you go. There you go. There you go. That's all I gotta say. There you go. Of course, we're gonna have a back arrow as well. In fact, we should have added that in duplicates, but I did not bother. So back arrow, as usual, it's gonna be yellow. And we're gonna put that back at 121. And we're gonna copy that, paste, paste, and paste. Now, we're going to copy his image, so we can just simply replace it. Paste, paste, paste. Now, let's just do an island. An island. An island. Alright, let's do it. Let's see what Stable Diffusion has to offer us. Okay, I guess that is an island. It's not very good looking, an island, but... Okay, this looks more like paintings rather than like... Okay, what's this? Is that a face? That literally looks like a face. I can't be the only one seeing this. What is this? That doesn't even look that good. What is this? What is this? Seriously, what is this? Honestly, what is this? Okay, fair enough. It's still an island, but that's not any island I've ever seen. I guess that's an island too. You know what? It did follow the prompt, to be fair. So, um, yeah, it followed the prompt. I can't really complain too much. Let's download the second batch and get it in there. And of course, we're gonna be replacing this image with this image of just islands. It's gonna be great. It's wonderful, perfect. Just kidding, it's not, but it's still cool nonetheless. Yeah, so islands. Got islands in there now. Incredibleness. Incredibleness. Let me make sure these two buttons go to the correct spot. This one's supposed to go to 122. This one's supposed to go to 123. No, wrong button. 123. I love 123. All right. Next up, a dog holding a banana while swimming in a swimming pool. Let's see what Stable Diffusion has to offer us this time. Okay, I got the dog swimming in the swimming pool, but it's not. He's not really holding the banana. So a fail there, but half a fail. Okay, now the opposite is true. Kinda. Dog swimming, but it's still not, his head cutting the banana open or something. I don't know. Okay. Let's see if I can tell this one's not gonna be holding the banana. I hope one of these is holding a banana. Okay, we got the dog swimming, but he's not holding the banana. Okay, now the dog. I think the dog might just be holding the banana here, but not really. not really. It's okay. To Stable's credit, it's trying. It's got the dogs. It's got the bananas. I mean, these don't look half a bad. They really don't. It's considering the fact that these are generating locally on my own computer. It's not bad. It's I'm not. I'm not. Then again, I'm not expecting ChatGPT level quality here. Anyway, as a bonus, we'll even do these 4 prompts in ChatGPT just to see what it comes up with. We're not going to put them in Wilo OS, but we're still going to see what they look like, because why not? Alright, let's download this and put it on in. And it's going to be going in this slide. Yeah, dogs somewhat holding bananas while swimming in a swimming pool. Yeah, that's that. Make sure to allocate this to its correct slide. 1, 2, 4. Now, if Stable Diffusion messes this up, I'm gonna be really sad. Like truly, really sad. So a phone on a table. Let's do it. Okay, I see the phone. Okay. Okay, it looks like a floor. I mean, it could be, you could kind of see that for a table, I suppose. Okay, I see another phone. Is that a second phone, I guess? I guess it's two phones this time. Just watching it generate, thinking about life, doing whatever, and that's that. Okay, it looks like a very different kind of phone, but still, it looks a little bit glitchy. Can't lie there. Okay, okay. You know, I recently noticed the quality seems to look much better, like in the actual output. So, but yeah, once again, considering the fact that these are generated on my own computer, these are not bad at all. Let's get this image downloaded and onto the thing. I'm actually disappointed this is over. This is something I was really looking forward to. This is one of my favorite videos of all time, okay, to make because just seeing how bad the AI is, seeing the funniness of AI, it's just truly something special. All right, let's make sure this thing is allocated to its correct thing. 125. Make sure this is allocated to its correct thing, which I think it is. I'm just gonna say yeah, it is. It's cool. So yeah, that's that. Willow Diffusion is done. It's very, very quick. Choose your prompt. It's a very simple app. It truly is. A cat holding a carrot, floating in midair in a living room, island, dog holding a banana while swimming in a swimming pool, and a phone on a table. Like it's very hard to get much simpler than that. Except it's actually very easy, especially these first two here. Um, anyway, let's go ahead and make the store page, and then we're gonna go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make these four prompts. So we're gonna give ChatGPT these four prompts and see what it makes. And it's probably gonna be miles better than Stable Diffusion ever will be, unfortunately. So yeah, let's do it. So let's go to the store. I'm not going to the store. I'm going to the app store. The app store reminds me of an old commercial or something of a mobile game. It's funny. It's really funny. Well, at least if I can find the store. Where's the store? There's the store. I love the store. I don't like the store. Stores are boring. This store ain't, but most stores are boring. Alright, let's see. So, I want to go to here. I'm going to duplicate this. Willow Diffusion. By Willow. Uh, AI image generation. AI image generation, that's instant. Kinda. Okay. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of the app. And put it in there. You probably can't see what I'm doing exactly, but it's fine. Okay, can I find the store page? I want to find the store page. I want to find the frickin' store page! Rah! Okay, I need to shut up. Willow Diffusion. We're going to replace this image with one here. If you can't see what I'm doing, I'm going through my screenshots. There it is. Oh well, got cut off. Who cares? Open. This is going to be changed. Obviously, what the frick is going on here? That was weird. That was weird. That is going to be slide 121. And last but not least, we're going to place the logo with this awesome logo that I found. It's just an image. It's all it is. It's amazing. It's perfect. Like, I don't think I could find a better one if I tried. Honestly, it's stupidly perfect. Okay, if I can find it, it's like finding the treasure. You gotta find the treasure, and I think I just found the treasure. Oh my gosh, I think I need to get going. um. Okay. This is like I can't find anything anymore. All right. Paste. Goodbye. Hello. Get in there. You're the star of the show now. Image. That's what you are. You're the star. You're the starriest image of all time. I'm too stupid for this. I'm kidding. Now, let's give it a test run and see if it works. If I can find the desktop, that is. Where's the desktop? Desktop, where are you? Are you slide 29? You're slide 29. Yes, you are. I remember that from earlier. Presenter view, so it doesn't interrupt my video thing, whatever. So we're going to go here to the start menu and then the app screen, and we're going to the store, which I hate, but I like this store. Load. Load. Thank you. Appreciate it. Load. Hello. Thank you. Oh, look at that logo. It's perfect. Um, well, clearly I'm too stupid for my own britches. I completely forgot to map that link to the new slide. Let's fix that real quick. Slide 145. Now let's try it. We're not going to start over because I don't feel like it. Look at that perfect logo. It should work now. Here we go. Wilo Diffusion. We're going to open it up. Look at it. A cat holding a carrot floating in midair. Perfect. Not. An island. Perfect. Not. Dog holding a banana. Perfect. Not. And a phone on a table. Actually perfect. So, yeah, that's done. And that is the last app that's going to be made officially before Wilo OS 10's release in November or even October. So yeah, I'm hoping to definitely release this by December 1st, but that's like the absolute latest. Now, what you've all been waiting for, we're gonna go to ChatGPT and try to get this and try to get those prompts in there and see what ChatGPT spits out. So let's do this. All right, here we are on the fantastic ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's put these prompts in. The first one is, yes, I already forgot them. Yeah, I know. I have a bad memory, okay? Hello? Where are you? Stupid thing. That's actually not stupid at all. Alright. A cat holding no, I don't want to move it. No, I don't want to copy it. It's a big difference, you know. So, an image of a cat holding a carrot or floating in midair in a living room. Oh, come on. I hate when it does this. I really do. You know what? Hey, you know what? I'm just say, hey, you know what? Two images is better than one. So we get a bonus. So you know what? I'm not going to complain. Let's see. Just going to be waiting here forever for the images to generate. I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, we're done. And look how much better this looks compared to Stable Diffusion. They both look really good. Like, it's incredible. Imagine just walking into your living room and seeing this. Oh my gosh. Mittens is holding a carrot floating in midair. What the frick is going on? My life's a lie or something like that, you know? Stupidly stupid. Anyway, but which one's better? This one. The first one. I think it's saved in my library though, so I can just do both anytime. That's the first image. Now we're gonna be doing another image. An island. It's just an island. It's an image of an island. I don't even know why I need to copy that. It was so simple. Now let's just see what it looks like, and once again, I will be back when it is done. And it's done. Look how much better that looks. Yeah. Doesn't that look so much better here? So we're gonna zoom in. Look how much better that looks. Doesn't that look great compared to whatever this is? Compared to whatever these are, this is miles better. Just admit it. So yeah. Now, next up, we're gonna be doing a dog holding a banana while swimming in a swimming pool. Um, we're gonna do this, and I will be once again back when it is done. All right, we're back. Once again, OpenAI takes the cake. No questions asked. Look at this. Number one, look how realistic the water looks. Look. Just look at it. Here, let's compare. Look at these images, right? Look at these, and then look at this. Look at these. Look at this. No, there's like a big difference. It's incredible. It's incredible. Now, the last image. If ChatGPT can't do this, yeah, I can do everything else. I will once again be extremely sad. A phone on a table. Once again, I have no idea why I need to copy and paste that. I can just type it in manually like a normal person. But you know what? I'm not normal. So let's do it. An image of a phone on a table. I will be back when it is done. Yeah, it's just there's just no way. All right, so look at this. It's an actual iPhone too. It's literally an actual iPhone. And then we get these. I don't even know what phones these are. Are these like? I think these are like Chinese phones from Wish.com or something. Like this is no comparison. This is perfect. It's too perfect. This is too perfect, man. I'm having a freak out here, man. this is uh I'm going crazy over a phone on a table. I'm not normal at all. So yeah, ChatGPT is just it's just too good. This is incredible. So let's sum up everything that was done in this video. In this video, we made this app, the Wilo Diffusion app, with 4 different prompts that Stable Diffusion did a 5 out of 10 job doing, and then we got ChatGPT over here doing the same prompts. It's too incredible. So yeah, that's the gist of the video. So that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and if you want to really support me, join the Discord. I would love to have you there. I hope my humor has humored you, because I like to think I have a great sense of humor. And yeah, uh, unless it's just my ego being too high, in which case, yeah. Anyway, so I will see you all whenever I see you all. See you later. I am Mixer Dude. Dude. He. The Peter Griffin laugh.